Hello. Hey, I just want to let you know I bought 2 more solar panels. So I'm pumping out some wattage now. I was going to buy 4, but I had my car insurance came up and I had to pay cash for the whole year because I can't make payments. You never know what's going to happen in the future. So I was able to buy 2 more panels. I will buy 2 more when I can get some more money saved. So now I've got 4 panels, and then I've also bought another battery for my solar system. So I got 3 batteries now. My inverter, solar panel controller. So it's getting built. It's, you know, I probably need at least one more battery and 2 more solar panels. See how that works. But I can power my fridge right now. But I have to have sunshine because it'll drain the batteries. It's 3 batteries just won't hold enough juice to continually power the fridge all night long. During the daytime, not a problem. So anyway, I just finished building the stand for it. You know, there's better stands, but I kind of like these. At least I can tilt them to get the most sunshine. And the stand I built for my water containers, they are full, and so with those full, I'm looking at about 2,200 pounds. That's a ton. That's a ton of water on that stand. It's holding. Life is good. So thanks for watching. Be sure to like and keep moving forward.